Do you love machines like cars and planes? Are you an automobile engineer or a mechanical engineer or a production engineer or a working professional in the manufacturing sector or the research and development sector? Then I have a great news for you. I am going to show you some courses provided by SAE International. These courses are worth 80 to 90 US dollars, but I am going to show you how to access them for free for 90 days. You have to complete these 2-hour courses within these 90 days and you will get a certificate from SAE International. This certificate is very valuable if you add it to your resume or CV, and it will give you an edge over your competitors if you are applying for jobs. So not only this, it will also add value to your knowledge, which is the most important thing here. And I have taken these courses and I will show you which course is most suitable for you according to your profile. Okay, let's go to my screen now.
You will get this kind of certificate once you complete any course. After you go through all the content provided in the course, you will be able to take an assessment. And yes, to get the certificate, you have to score more than 70% marks. So I advise you to take notes while going through the content. This practice will also help you in doing revisions before appearing for an interview. As you can see on the certificate, you will also get credits for continuing education, mostly applicable in USA for professionals with certificates or licenses to practice various professions. Now let us understand which course you will be taking first or which is the most suitable course for you. This is my first recommendation if you are a student. This course is a must do for you. Why? Because in this course, you will obtain skills needed to conduct an efficient study and make correct assumptions. It includes introduction to discretization errors and convergence criteria in a simple language. If you are a professional working in non-FEA role but your job requires you to analyze and understand FEA results, you should take this course. The next course I recommend for all the auto enthusiasts who want to have a beginner level understanding of automotive industry. This course will provide you a bird's eye view onto the automobile ecosystem and you will learn what happens in a typical day of an automobile engineer. Now this one is the most interesting course which I recommend. Explanation to design of experiments is given with a real life example. This makes the learning experience very enjoyable. If you are a final year student and involved in research and experimentations, then this course is for you. And students who want to pursue product design and optimization or process design and optimization or quality improvement careers, or even if you are a manager who helps engineers doing all these kind of tasks, then this course is for you. Students who are looking to take up a job in quality or design and development must understand FMEA, that is failure mode and effects analysis. This course will give you an overview of FMEA. It is a very interesting concept used prominently in automobile industries. So I recommend this course. Also, it is one of the shortest course available which you can complete within 1 hour. Now, these are intermediate level courses which you can take based on the relevance of your job profiles. I suggest you read the outline of the course on the website, which will be given in the description link. The courses mentioned here are slightly advanced concepts used by professionals in industry. So I recommend students to go for courses which I mentioned earlier like FEA, DOE and FMEA first and then come to these advanced concepts. Finally, some tips from me are: start registering for the course as soon as possible, immediately after watching this video, because these courses will be free for a limited amount of time and this will be a good opportunity for you. So don't miss it. The assessment is a very simple test, so please do not worry about it, you will surely pass. Most of the content will require Flash Player to be installed on your device, so please do the needful. So now let me quickly show you step by step how to get it for free. Once you click on the link provided in the description, you will land on this page. Essay Core Collection. Exclusive free courses designed by engineers for engineers. So if you scroll downwards, you will see this is how the website looks like. So your courses are free today, and these are the courses which I mentioned earlier. So if you click on register, you will land on this page. Okay, so you can see here this course costs 80 US dollars, but this course is free as a benefit to all SA student members. Okay, so first you have to log in. If you don't have a login, you have to create an account. Okay, so if you click on create account, you will get this kind of a form where you have to fill your basic details like your email address and creating a password, and then in contacts you will be asked for mobile number and your residential address, and demographics will be asked regarding your choices. So very simple, you can easily make an account within 5 minutes. So once you do that account, then you have to contact customer service to get the course for free. Okay, so if you scroll down in the about section, you will find the contact us link. So once you click on that contact us, you will land on this page where you will be able to see the email ID as well as the chat option. But the chat is available only for a particular time as mentioned here. So if you are in another time zone, you can write an email on this email ID, and in the email you have to mention that you want to do this course and along with this code number, and this you have to mention that it is free as mentioned on this link, but due to some issue you are asked to make a payment of $80. So immediately you will get a reply from SI with a code and the process step by step of how to start the course. Okay, so they will give you a voucher which you can enter in the SI learning section, and your free access will start. So once it starts, you can complete it within 90 days. And if you have any doubts or queries, feel free to ask in the comments section, and I will be happy to answer.